In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a maintenance page in Wix. A maintenance page is a simple temporary landing page that tells visitors your site is being updated while keeping everything behind the scenes safe and private. It's perfect when you're redesigning, fixing issues, or preparing a launch. In just a couple of minutes, you'll have a clean professional page live as your homepage so visitors see a clear message instead of a half-finished website. First, create a new page and name it Maintenance Page. In the Wix editor, open your site and head to your Pages panel. Add a new page. Choosing a blank layout keeps things fast and flexible, and immediately rename it to Maintenance Page so it's easy to identify. On that page, keep the design straightforward. Add a headline like "We're currently undergoing maintenance," a short friendly note explaining what's happening, and an optional time frame if you have one. You might include your logo to keep it on brand and a simple background color or image that matches your style. If you want visitors to reach you while the site is down, you can include a basic contact link but keep it minimal to avoid distractions. The goal is clarity and reassurance, not a full layout. Use larger, readable text and make sure it looks good on mobile by checking the mobile view in the editor. Next, set that maintenance page as your home page. In the Pages panel, locate the maintenance page you just created and set it as the home page. Wix will confirm that this becomes the first page visitors see when they land on your domain. Your original homepage and all other pages remain in your site. They're just not the default entry point anymore. This switch is fully reversible, so when your updates are done, you can simply set your previous homepage back as the default. A couple of quick tips to finish strong. Use the preview option to see exactly what visitors will experience before it goes live. Keep your message concise and positive. Let people know you're improving their experience. If timing is uncertain, it's okay to say you'll be back soon rather than promising a specific date. And when you're satisfied with the page and ready for visitors to see it, make sure your changes are saved and published so the maintenance page appears on your live site. That's all it takes. Create a maintenance page, then set it as your home page. Simple, professional, and visitor friendly.